Hello guys, welcome to my channel Emotion by Design सरजाद हुसैन। गाइस मैं आप लोगों के लिए आज बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट MCQs लेके आया हूँ जो तकरीबन हर पेपर में आते रहते हैं। तो गाइस स्टार्ट करते हैं, और जिन लोगों ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करो, क्योंकि हमारे आने वाले वीडियोस आप लोगों तक पहुँच सके। चलो दोस्तों स्टार्ट करते हैं। मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु इज़ द डेवलपर ऑफ कंप्यूटर। ऑप्शन है डेनिस रिची, जेम्स गॉसलिंग, चार्ल्स बेबेज, नन। तो हमारा आंसर है चार्ल्स बेबेज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, व्हाट इज़ द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ कंप्यूटर। Answer is commonly operating machine purposely used for technical and educational research. Question number 3. The smallest unit of data in computer is. Option is bit, nibble, KB, bytes. Answer is bit. Question number 4. In computer system, one nibble equal to 1 bit, 8 bits, 4 bits, 1 KB. Answer is 4 bits. Question number 5. 1 byte equal to 8 bits, 1 nibble, 4 bits, none. Right option is 8 bits. Question number 6 is, what is the full form of CPU? Option is central processing unit, control processing unit, control principal unit, all of the above. Answer is central processing unit. Question number 7. How many parts are there in CPU? Option 1, 2, 3, 4. Right option is 2. Question number 8. The brain of any computer system is 1 CPU, ALU, memory, CPU. Answer is CPU. Question number 9. Which of the following is not an example of software? MS Office, Tele, Chrome, Mouse. Answer is mouse. Question number 10. How many computer generation are there? Option is A1, B2, C4, D5. Answer is 5. Question number 11. What is the time period of first generation computer? Right option is 1946, 1959. Question is, in first generation of computer, which technology was used? Option is ICS, transistor, vacuum tube, VLSI. Answer is vacuum tube. Question number 13. In memory, full name of KB. Kinobit, kilobyte, byte, kilobit. Answer is kilobyte. Question is 1 KB equal to 1000 byte, 1024 byte, 1 MB, none. Answer is 1024 bytes. Question is, How many types of memory are there? Option A1, B2, C3, D4. Answer is 2. Question is, which of the following is the example of volatile memory? Option is primary, secondary, RAM, ROM. Answer is RAM. Question is, RAM stand for, option is number 1 read access memory, number 2 random access memory, number 3 both 1 and 2, 4 none. Answer is random access memory. Question is, which of the following is the example of input device? Keyboard, mouse, scanner, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Question is, CPU of ALU plus CU, RAM plus ROM, RAM plus ALU, ROM plus CU. Answer is ALU plus CU. Question is, which of the following is not component of computer system? Key is input device, memory, stepper motor, none of these. Right answer is stepper motor. Question is, which of the following is the valid measurement unit of memory? Keys. Option is KB, 2 MB, 3 GB, for all of above. Answer is all of above. Question is, how many arrow key are in keyboard? Option is A1, B2, C3, D4. Answer is 4. Question is 23. How many keys are on keyboard? Option is 101, 102, 103, 104. Answer is 104. Question is, the list of coded instruction in computer is called. Option is algorithm, flowchart, computer program, none. Answer is computer program. Question is, the part of CPU which of perform all mathematical operation. Keys A CU, B memory, C ALU, D registered. Answer is ALU. Question is, example of hardware. Option is keyboard, mouse, printer, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question is, how many types of system software are? A1, B2, C3, D4. Answer is true. Question is, FIFO stand for first enter, first open, first enter, first out, first instruction, first operation, none. Answer is first in, first out. Question is, ALU is part of memory. Option is first true, second false, 3 both, 4 none. Answer is false. Question is, type of RAM. 1 SRAM, second DRAM, 3. Both for none. Answer is both. Question is, can hardware work without device driver? True, false, sometime, none. Answer is two, false. Question is, shortcut key of folder creation. F2. Second, control plus C. Third, control plus shift plus N for control. Right answer is 3, control plus shift plus N. Question is, computer shutdown shortcut key. Alter plus F4, control plus F4, shift all. Answer is Alter plus F4. Question is, computer refresh shortcut key. Option is F4, F5, F6, F7. Right answer is F5. Question is, which of the following is the example of OS? Option is Windows, Linux, MS-DOS, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Question is, which of the following is the example of volatile memory? Option is SRAM, DRAM, ROM, both 1 and 2. Answer is both 1 and 2. Question is, what is the use of control plus Z? Option is for copy, for paste, for undo, for delete. Right answer is for undo. Question is, what is the use of shift plus delete? Option is for permanent delete, for temporary delete, for backup, for none. Answer is for permanent delete. Answer is control plus C used for. Option is cut, copy, paste, undo. Answer is copy. Question is, what is the shortcut key of the select all? Option is control plus A, control plus P, alter plus A, alter plus B. Right answer is control plus A. Question is, control plus X used for. Option is cut, copy, paste, delete. Right answer is cut. Question is, what is the example of binary number? Option is 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4. Right option is 0 and 1. Question number 14, bits stand for binary digits, bin digits, bin file, none. Right option is binary digits. Question is, the BCD used how many bits? BCD mean binary coded decimal. Option is 6 bits, 8 bits, 32 bits, 128 bits. Right option is 6 bits. Question is, which of the following is the logic gate? Option is and, or, not, all. Right answer is all. Question is, the two kind of main memory are CD, DVD, RAM and ROM, primary and secondary, all of the above. Right answer is RAM and ROM. Question is, OS is the example of hardware, software, both, none. Right answer is software. Question is, the main memory of computer is also known as primary, secondary, internal, none. Right answer is primary. Question is, email stand for eject mail, intermail, electronic mail, all. Right answer is electronic mail. Question 50. Gmail stand for global mail, Google Mail, both, none. Right answer Google Mail. Question is, half byte or 4 bits is called pixel, memory, nibble, none. The right answer is nibble. Question is, ARPANET stand for. The right answer is Advanced Research Project Agency Network. The first computer network is LAN, WAN, PAN, ARPANET. Right answer is ARPANET. Question is, how much data can be stored in a CD? 500 MB, 600 MB, 700 MB. Right answer is C, 700 MB. Question is, dash has the shortest access time? Primary memory, secondary memory, cache memory, none. Right answer is cache memory. Question is, HDD is the example of dash memory. Hard disk driver. HDD mean hard disk driver. Option is primary, secondary, cache, none. Right answer is secondary. Question is, internal HDD computer system is dash. Option is fixed, not fixed, removable, none. Right answer is fixed. Question is, the length of IP address is 16 bits, 32 bits, 64 bits, 128 bits. Right answer is 32 bits. Question is, MAC stand for. Right answer is Media Access Control. Question is, the length of MAC address is 32 bits, 48 bits, 64 bits, 128 bits. Right answer is 48 bits. Question is the location of the resource on internet is given by its answer is URL. Question is URL stand for answer is uniform resource locator. Question is set of rules is known as answer is protocol. Question is physical arrangement of computer network is called right answer is topology. Question is the structure format of data is called management formatting syntax none. Right answer is syntax. Question is keyboard is the example of input device, output device, both none. Right answer is input device. Question is monitor is the example of input device, output device, display none. Right answer is output device. Question is a computer consists of right answer is all of the above. Question is how many function keys are on keyboard? Option is A 4, B 8, C 12, D 16. Right answer is 12, C 12. Question is RAM and ROM are the example of input device, output device, storage device. None. Answer is storage device. Question is speaker is an example of option is simplex, halfplex, full duplex. None. Answer is simplex. Question is telephone network is the example of system. Answer is full duplex. Question is walkie-talkie is an example of. Right answer is halfplex. Which of the following are the mode of data transmission? Keys simplex, halfplex, full duplex, all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Question is the start type of topology true, false, both, none? Right answer is true. Question is CPU control. Option is control memory, control only input, all input, output, and processing, all of the above. Right answer is all input, output, and processing. Question is, what was the name of first computer? ENIAC. Second, UNIAC. Third, PARAM. Fourth, none. Right answer is ENIAC. Question is, ENIAC stand for. Right answer is electronic numerical integrator and computer. Question is, in which generation computer or microprocessor? Option is first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. Right answer is fourth generation. Question is, in which generation OS was developed? Option is first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. Answer is third generation. Question is, in computer OCR stand for. Right answer is optical character recognition. Question is, computer mouse is used for. Option is drawing, creating lines, selected all of the above. Right answer is all of the above. Question is, who is the developer of mouse? Right answer is Douglas Engelbart. Question is, the length of IPv6 is Internet Protocol version 6. Answer is 128 bits. Question is, which of the following is the type of network? Answer is all of the above. Question is, USB stand for. Right answer is Universal Serial Bus. What is the base of decimal number system? Right answer is 10. Question is, when we convert 1100 in decimal, option is 4, 8, 12, 6. Right answer is 12. Question is, which of the following is also known as read write memory? ROM, RAM, HDD, DVD. Right answer is RAM. Question is, UPS stand for. Right answer is uninterrupted power supply. Question is, 1 terabyte equal to. Option is 1000 GB, 1024 GB, both none. Right answer is 1000 GB. Question is, computer monitor is also known as VDU, CCTV, DVD, CD. Right answer is video. VDU stand for Visual Display Unit, Virtual Disk Unit, Visual Display User, none. Right answer is Visual Display Unit. Question is arranged in ascending order TB, KB, GB, MB. Right answer is KB, MB, GB, TB. Question is arranged in descending order TB, KB, GB, MB. Right answer is TB, GB, MB, KB. Question is the printed output from a computer is called. Option is copy, soft copy, hard copy, paper. Right answer is hard copy. Question is which generation of computer is still under development? Option is fourth generation, fifth generation, sixth generation, seventh generation. Right answer is fifth generation. Question is which was the most popular first generation computer? Right option is IBM 1650. Question is full form of BCD. Right answer is binary coded decimal. Question is properly arranged data is called. Option is field, world, information, file. The right option is information. Thank you guys. Video देखने